Another day, another English lesson. Cleft sentences with superlative adjectives. In English, we sometimes want to say what we can do at our limit, the most, fastest, or highest we can go. To do this, we can use a special kind of sentence called a cleft sentence. For example, the highest that I can jump is 1 meter. This sentence tells us the limit of the person's jumping. They can't jump higher than 1 meter. It shows the top level of what they can do. How these sentences work. These special sentences have 2 parts. Cleft clause. This begins with a word like the highest, the fastest, or the most, and includes what the person can do. Example, the highest that I can jump. Main clause. This tells the result or number. Example, is 1 meter. Putting them together gives us, the highest that I can jump is 1 meter. This structure helps us focus on the limit, the best or the most someone can do. More examples that show limits. The fastest that I can run is 10 kilometers per hour. The longest that I can hold my breath is 30 seconds. The most that I can carry is 20 pounds. The farthest that I can throw a ball is 15 meters. Each sentence shows a personal limit. Everyone's limit is different. Why do we use these sentences? We use them to talk about our personal best, say what we can do at our limit, stress the important part of the sentence. They help us speak clearly and confidently about what we can do. Now, complete the cleft sentences with the superlative form of the adjective in parentheses. One, the farthest that she can walk is 5 kilometers. Two, the highest that he can jump is 1 meter. Three, the longest that we can stay awake is 18 hours. Four, the fastest that she can type is 40 words per minute. Five, the most that you can eat is 3 slices of pizza. Six, the longest that she can swim without stopping is 20 minutes. Seven, the heaviest that we can carry is a full backpack. Eight, the most that I can read in one day is 2 books. Nine, the highest that you can reach is the top shelf in your kitchen. Ten, the fastest that he can run is 30 kilometers per hour. 12. The most that she can spend on a jacket is $75. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT videos. See you soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.